Oh, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another one. Today we have something super special. Will, what do we got?
We got a box of goodies.
Goodies. Stick with us. We're gonna hop into this video.
Alrighty, guys. Today we are going through a brand new box that we just got in the mail from our boys over at Tethrd. What do we got?
We're gonna be saddle hunting. We are saddle hunters now, baby.
Let's go.
We got a load of gear. We're gonna go through and do an unboxing video. We've basically got the whole system now. We're waiting on a few more things in the mail, but we wanted to jump in. We wanted to start hunting out of these babies. So we're gonna jump into this video. We're gonna unbox everything we got and kind of the setup that we're gonna run through. And yeah, so let's get in it. The moment of truth. I did cut open the box when I got it in the mail, but I left everything in the packaging. I just wanted to make sure it was all right. So, going into it. First thing is first. Couple hats. Pretty dope. Not gonna lie. From there, I guess we'll go back and forth. Will and I will each take a thing out of the box.
So the first thing you really see when you open a box is like these little manual welcoming books. We got some stickers, kind of receipts of what is in the box. Just like general overview stuff you get with every purchase.
It's hand stamped or whatever, or hand signed or hand stamped. Yeah, so basically this is just like the safety information, stuff like that. So, we heart saddle hunters. Love it.
Guess we're saddle hunters now.
We're saddle hunters. So, next thing. Knee pads. Heard good things about these. I'm super jacked to get in them. These are the new Tethrd knee pads. And I guess we should start off. We'll leave a link down below to their website if you guys want to go check it out. They have like the best saddle hunting gear, I would say, on the market. So yeah, that's what all this is. This is the Tethrd name brand knee pads. They're super padded, super comfortable.
And these knee pads are for when you're leaning against a tree. Your knees are going to get cut up if you're there for a while. So these, knee pads, they kind of protect your knees from the bark, from whatever
from the trees
else,
and stuff like that. So
when you're leaning against them,
definitely a must-have.
Next thing here, the Sis Hauler ES 2.0s. So these are like little moly bags that we put all the gear in, the saddle gear in when we're walking in and walking out. Kind of keeps things organized. Definitely a good thing to have.
These are like, they attach to your saddle. You can put all your ropes, tethered, and linemen, stuff like that in them. Sweet. So we got two of those each. He's got two, I've got two. Okay, next. The 8mm Tethrds. These are the new ones that they just came out with. I'll tell you what, they look sweet. 8mm tether.
Nice. Next thing, we got the 8mm linemen. I think these are also brand new.
I think the 8mm line is brand new for this year. Yep.
Awesome.
Sweet. These colors are actually really cool on these too.
Yeah, I like the orange.
Yeah. Next up, back strap recliners. All day back support recliner by Tethrd. Sweet.
Another must-have if you're going to be out there all day.
Yeah, we plan to sit quite a few times this year all day, as long as we can get out and manage that. But that'll be pretty awesome to have the recliner for sure.
All right, next little goodie we got here, the Ropeman 1.
Ropeman 1.
So these are clamps. So instead of using a Prusik knot on your saddle, you can use these in place. They're a little bit quicker,
one-handed,
much more easier to manage.
Yeah.
You don't need both hands to loosen and tighten.
Drum roll, please. Da 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 da.
Good stuff.
Phantom, Tethrd Phantom. That's the saddles that Will and I went with. These babies are sweet. They are loaded with features.
Yeah, Tethrd makes a couple different ones. This Phantom one is probably their premier one, I would say.
Correct.
This is we've been waiting for this box a couple weeks in the mail actually, so when it finally came in, we were jacked.
We were so jacked. Tethrd Phantom.
Man, that thing looks awesome.
Oh man, it looks so sweet. Honestly, the first impression for me would be like the quality. Getting into saddle hunting, the safety factor was kind of a concern.
Absolutely.
Coming from the construction side of things, like safety is a big thing that we deal with. So,
and one of the reasons why we ended up going with Tethrd is they do a lot with their safety. They actually have a pretty cool video on YouTube where they show how they test these things.
Their third-party safety testing is actually pretty impressive. So honestly, like going from a company that's super well known, I had a lot of confidence in the safety of their products and everything like that. You know, not saying that the other companies are not safe. I personally just felt confident in seeing their third-party testing videos and all the stuff and all the information they have about their saddles. They do
a great job making you feel comfortable.
These guys know what they're talking about. They've been saddle hunting they have decades of experience in this. So
saddle hunting is pretty much all they do, right?
That's it. Saddle hunting. So there's the Tethrd Phantom is what we got. Next up, these are the Hero Clip. I think this is the Pro Pack is what they call it. All you public land hunters know, most states, I don't think, or all, you can't put screw-in tree steps. Nothing can screw into a tree. So
on public land.
On public land. Tethrd has the Hiss strap, which we do not actually have. We have to get those. Forgot to get them. But these go on to the mole strap or the Hiss strap, and you can hang your bow. And then
anything else,
anything else, your pack, all the other gear.
STS patch.
It's like a must-have. Basically, like the Tethrd, it's a system. You got to have the whole system. You don't have to.
It's nice when you do.
It's nice when you have their gear is all designed to work together as a system, and it's like I was saying before, the experience that they all have over decades has led to like a perfect system for saddle hunting.
They've thought it through. They've been doing it for years and years and years. So everything that they put out, it all works together and integrates perfectly.
Correct.
So that's, I mean, you can start with just the saddle itself if you don't feel like purchasing everything, but eventually having all these little goodies that you can get with it, they make it a heck of a lot easier.
You don't need everything.
Absolutely
do not need everything, but the systems that they have together is awesome.
It's great.
So, Will?
So with the saddles, we have the XL platforms. So these are what you're going to be standing on when you're resting in your saddle. And these are the XL ones. I think they make a smaller one.
Yeah, there's the Predator platform and there's the Predator XL.
Right.
For us, especially since Will and I are filming, I haven't saddle hunted before, so I don't know, but I was assuming that the bigger platform, yes, a little bit heavier. Granted, saddle hunting is like basically no weight compared to tree stand hunting, but due to like filming and stuff, being able to move around the tree or move a little bit more, I thought would maybe be better with
There's no reason not to.
Yeah.
You know?
Yep. So other than that, we're going to go through, we're going to get these on, we're going to get them set up, and we're going to strap onto a tree and give our opinion there. So we'll see you in a little bit. All right, guys, so we just ended up getting everything out of the package, everything's set up. So like I said, this is the Phantom XL. Basically, the system that I've got mine set up on, I think Will's is very similar, but on my left cis hauler, I'm going to keep my lineman's belt with my Ropeman 1.
Yeah, same thing.
Just stand there, yep, same thing he's got. And then on my right side, I'm going to have my tether and whatever else stuff I'm going to need. With the cool thing about the cis hauler, the 2.0 here, is the pockets that it has. I can put like my bow pull-up rope and stuff like that in there. So
snacks, anything.
Oh yeah, you can do anything. Like I was saying, what we don't actually have right now is the Hiss strap. So that would go on the tree, and I'd put my bag here or here. Or sorry, I'd put my bag here. I'd put my bow here with those the Pro Pack. Anyways, the knee pads, game changer. I would say, I think ideally, in a perfect world, having another Ropeman on your tether would be sweet. Nice. With some people, some reviews that I've seen from other guys is they'll run a Ropeman on their tether, and then they'll slide this Prusik up tight to the tree, and they'll clip their bag right in front of them here. That's another option too. So the recliner strap, oh, game changer. It's freaking nice. But anyways, so the cool thing about the tethered system is, or saddle hunting in general, if you have deer coming, you know, you can hide yourself behind the tree a little bit, right? If the deer are gonna come this way, but you can also move all around the entire tree, however you want. You can go anywhere you want to shoot. If you want to shoot over here, you can come up, throw the tether over your shoulder, which now holds you to the tree. You can shoot all this like you would on a tree stand. So the biggest thing for Will and I next is going to be just getting into the system of filming together.
Right.
Right, Will?
And getting obviously 20-30 feet in the air. Right now we're 3 feet off the ground, so
Correct.
it's much easier to kind of learn the system, which is what they recommend, right? When you first get it, you don't want to be climbing up into the tree for the first time, going through and learning, you know, everything about it. So we recommend, like we are, starting on the ground, you know, getting your bearings before you start climbing up there and really start hunting them.
Yep.
Alrighty guys, so like we were talking about earlier, this is our first time using them. It's an unboxing video, so we've never had the opportunity to go out and really test the systems and see how much we like them, and to see how much they really work. Me and Tyler were just talking. We're thinking we're going to do an end of the year review video that really gets into the nuts and bolts of how we thought these systems performed throughout the hunting season. We don't want to go into what we really like, what we don't really like when we haven't had any opportunity to try them out. So this is the unboxing video. At the end of the year, we're going to do a full breakdown review video. We'll include a bunch of different shots of us using them, what we really liked about them, what we think there's room for improvement on, and would we recommend other people getting them. So
yeah, basically our experience after hunting them the remainder of the season. We'll see where we're at. Maybe we'll even pick up a couple cool tips and tricks and things that we'll learn saddle hunting. What we don't have in this video is the Tethrd 1 sticks. They're new to the market. They are extremely light.
the climbing sticks.
The climbing sticks. They're a 2-step system. So instead of using a cinch strap style like this with the buckle, they actually use the it's a way you tie it on like a boat knot kind of, and it's made out of the am steel, which if you guys haven't watched any videos on this stuff, do yourself a favor and watch it. You will have the utmost confidence in it. It's light, it's like flexible, it's pliable, and extremely
It'll
strong.
hold anything you can put on it.
Yeah, which goes right back to the saying of like the confidence we have in the safety from Tethrd is like next to none.
Absolutely.
So the next time you will see us in these tree saddles is next time we hunt the refuge, next time we get out and hunt some public land and everything. So we're jacked about it. We were jacked to use these. Honestly, I've been sitting on them for like
a couple weeks now.
A week. I think they've been sitting in my garage just dying to make these videos, but life so busy, crazy. But anyways, we will see you guys in the next one. Follow along. We have an epic kayak hunting series about to drop shortly. Now that we got the saddles, we got all the gear we need, and it's going to be epic. We got our Old Town canoes that are dialed. And yeah, anyways, we'll see you guys soon. Like and subscribe. Yeah. Also, we might have some merch coming soon, if any of you guys care.
Rumors.
There's rumors on the street. There's some dope merch coming. So anyways, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.